asshole. Get out of the fucking car.
Red light there, dickhead, on your crappy moped. Oh, that's fucking old Bill. They're going after him. Yep, fucking knew it. Mondeo estate with two guys in the front. Definitely got to be old Bill most of that time. Haha, dickhead. The fuck are you looking? You had so long to fucking see me. Stupid fucking bitch. Give way to the right, you fuck nugget. If I hadn't kept rolling, that other cunt would have gone as well. Pair of pricks. The fuck? You're doing 15 miles an hour. Get out of the fucking way! Dickheads. I've got a green filter light, I can go left, but we're all just going to sit here. But use the fucking cycle lane. I know they don't have to, but come on. Just sit in everyone's way instead. The thing is as well, they were observing the traffic signals, so they knew there was a red light, so they must have also known there was a green light. So, what the fuck were they doing? I have right of way, dickhead. Come on, forwards. That's not giving way to the right, is it? You're a fucking policeman as well. Should definitely know better. It's also why I didn't beep you, because I can't be bothered with that hassle. Dickhead. They stopped, looked to see if anything was coming, then walked out. Why would you look to see if anything was coming if you're going to walk out in front of something? Idiot. Mate. What the fuck are you doing? The fuck? Wrong side of the road for a pointless overtake. Can I just point out, now I've got closer as well, there's a white sticker on the back that says baby in car. So you're more of a colossal cunt than you initially seemed. Congratulations. Really? Really? Of all of the places you could stop, you stop there, where no one can get past you. Just fucking inconsiderate. Inconsiderate! Dickhead. We're really fucked if that happens. Come. Why are you not in the road? Why are you going the wrong way? The guy on this moped in front of me has absolutely terrible road positioning. He keeps sitting so far over to the left, he's going to get people overtaking him. And the thing is, he's already doing the speed limit. It is 20 here, which always seems very slow. But that is the speed limit. And he's doing it, so he doesn't need to be over there risking himself, in my opinion. He also moves across without doing any lifesavers, and I'm not sure if he's got any mirrors, I can't tell from here.